Hi, welcome to Be Dental Spa. Are you interested in straightening your teeth but don't want to go through the route of traditional braces? Let me show you what we offer. Here at Be Dental Spa, we are proud to offer Invisalign, which are clear aligners that help straighten your teeth discreetly, unlike traditional braces. We prioritize comfort and convenience. That's why we pride ourselves in having the latest technology, such as our iTero machine. This replaces those horrible, messy, uncomfortable impressions that everyone hates taking. During your first consultation visit, you'll get a before and after picture so you have a clear idea of what your results will look like. We hope to see you at one of our 3 locations for a free consultation. And remember, here at Be Dental Spa, we'd love to see you smile.